For survivors of Canada's residential schools, the discovery of hundreds of unmarked graves reopened wounds that may never truly heal.
It was as if someone punched me in the stomach.
And have changed the national conversation around reconciliation.
The unmarked graves 5 months ago now set this country in a pause.
Cowessess First Nation in southern Saskatchewan discovered the graves of 751 children. It and other communities have extended invitations to Pope Francis to visit burial sites. But there are skeptics about the impact a papal visit alone may have.
The Pope's visit is going to be a lightning rod, and it may turn a corner, it may not.
A papal apology is one of the Truth and Reconciliation Commission's calls to action, but there are others for the Catholic Church, like releasing documents that would help identify unaccounted for children and paying compensation required by the courts.
And they use some legal trickery and so forth to escape all the obligations, crying poverty.
The schools documented through written records, daily records, and they always took pictures of us.
Chief Delorme says local and regional bishops have been cooperative about releasing documents, but with no centralized organization to digitize records and make them public and accessible, it is a meticulous and time-consuming process.
One file had 800 pages, and in there is handwritten names, dates of arrival, date they were baptized, and in some cases, dates that they passed away.
The documents do not all contain children's Indigenous names, but rather the Christian names they were given at the school. It's estimated it could take 2 years to identify all the victims, potentially creating even more pain and trauma for families and communities that have already been through so much. Raquel Fletcher, Global News, Ottawa.